Earlier this month, several rumors revealed that the OnePlus 10R might be powered by the Dimensity 9000. Given that this is the same source that disclosed that the Nord 2 is equipped with a Dimensity 1200, I have a high degree of trust in the veracity of this information. While everything is going on, the toned-down OnePlus 10 is rumored to come with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. In terms of OnePlus 10R specifications, it is expected to include a 120Hz AMOLED display, 8GB of RAM, and 128GB of storage in addition to the Dimensity 9000 processor. The OnePlus 10R will continue to be restricted to Asian regions, as it was last year, and will be available in India by June. Oxygenos 12, which is based on Android 12, will be installed on all units sold worldwide. Additionally, two variants will be introduced as part of the OnePlus 10 lineup, the normal OnePlus 10 and the OnePlus 10R. For the first 7 years of the company's existence, OnePlus only used Qualcomm Snapdragon processors on their phones. However, with the Nord 2, the company shifted to the MediaTek Dimensity 1200 processor. The reason why OnePlus is adopting the Dimensity 9000 in the OnePlus 10R rather than the OnePlus 10 has to do with the market in the United States. It features a built-in 5G modem that supports worldwide 5G bands, although it is restricted to sub-6 and does not support wave connection. As a result, the processor will make its debut in the OnePlus 10R, which will be available only in Asian regions. It has been confirmed by my source that OnePlus will introduce the OnePlus 10R towards the conclusion of the second quarter of 2022. The OnePlus 9RT is the cause of the delay. At least for the time being, OnePlus intends to promote the 9RT as the go-to smartphone for those looking to spend between $500 and $600. As a result, the company has delayed the debut of the 10R in order to prevent the incoming product from detracting from sales of the 9RT. In terms of availability, the OnePlus 10R will launch in China and India first, and I haven't received any information to imply that it will expand to other countries at this time. It sold well in India, and by using MediaTek for the 10R, OnePlus will be able to be more aggressive with price, putting it at a significant competitive advantage against the finest mid-range phones from Samsung and Xiaomi, among others. It will be some time before we know how much the OnePlus 10R will cost, but based on our experience with the OnePlus 10 Pro, which costs $50 less than the OnePlus 9 Pro in China, it seems that the company is focused on pricing. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.